This time on Float On.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Things have really moved along now, and we've relocated all the way to southern Portugal to be by the ocean. Before that, there were a few things we needed to do to get the ball rolling.
Because after all, the dream is to sail around the world on our own yacht.
We went to the Austrian Boat Show to get a good idea of what we'd need to make the dream a reality.
Afterwards, we realised that money was the only thing now standing between us and the boat of our dreams.
We knew we'd have to take on more work, even the humdrum kind of jobs. Looks like fun.
Lots of fun. Let's get us to our boat then.
Oui. Number one done. Number two. Last one.
And that's a wrap.
Austria is a landlocked country.
So we needed to pack up and move to the ocean.
Taking the last of the boxes down to the cellar. Everything's packed in the car. Absolutely to the brim. The apartment is empty. Apart from a puppy. And an Amy. And me. This is it. We're leaving Zell.
We are leaving. Hey Bam Bam.
Got a nice little narrow slot to see out the back windscreen. Ah, my life.
Lake Zell. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Our destination is Lagos in Portugal, over 2,000 miles away. It would take us 4 days driving to get there. First stop, Lucerne.
It's famous for its medieval bridge, built in 1333.
One of the oldest wooden bridges in Europe.
Unusually, Chapel Bridge has paintings hanging below its roof.
Just before I was born, there was a bit of a blaze, which destroyed lots of them.
We found the old town quite quiet at this time of year, but no less beautiful with all its hand-painted buildings.
Like the Swiss, we love our cheese, and being in Switzerland, the dinner choice was obvious.
Cheese soup to start. Followed by, what are you having? Macaroni cheese.
With potatoes.
With potatoes. And grandma's cheese pie for me.
On the road again. Bow! On the road again.
On the road again. Yay! No more coffee for Martin!
Road trip!
Je suis en français! And just like the Swiss love their cheese, the French love their tolls. But the scenery is definitely worth paying for. So it looks like we just left all the mountains behind.
But not the sunshine! Montpellier has its very own Arc de Triomphe, and it is easily one of the most beautiful buildings in the city.
The old town is beautiful by day and by night.
Uh-huh. Get out me video, man. Bam bam.
Bum bum bum.
Bam bam man. Get out me video. Oh gosh.
Mediterranean. From the French Med, we could have followed the coast of Spain, south, but we love the mountains, so we continued west, through to the Pyrenees.
French motorways have some amazing rest areas. We found this one along the way, a mini Lake Soleil.
Bam Bam felt right at home. Dog is thoroughly hacked off.
Your problems are your own, old girl. Driving for so long can send you a bit batty.
Viva España! So here in San Sebastian, in Spain, spring has most certainly sprung. What ocean is it, Amy?
Atlantic?
Well done. Into the old town? Where are you going?
Guess into the old town then?
Amy's gone to the bar to choose the tapas.
Actually, Martin, they're called pinchos. Literally toothpick food. Basque for tapas. The Basilica of St. Mary of the Chorus was a welcome surprise for the eyes.
We love nothing more than chewing the fat, so after 3 days on the road, we treated ourselves to a good night out.
We may have overdone it. Back on the road for the final leg.
Portugal, baby! Woo! Lagos is our home for now, a good place to plan our next move.
So we're just on our walk back from the shop with all our herbs, and we get to look at our future. Look at this. Nice.
Just been for a walk around the marina. It's pretty exciting stuff.
Really exciting.
We found a sales office that opens at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, if the weather holds, we're going to go down there, see what we can find.
What about this one?
Come on then.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. Help us make more videos like this by joining our Patreon family.